So welcome back to my channel, guys. We're gonna do curry chicken. We're gonna do some curry chicken today in the evening here, and curry chicken and white rice. So guys, we're gonna chicken. This is leg and thigh. So we're gonna cut it up in the way that we do curry chicken. Yes, guys. Here you go, guys. This is my knife. This is the leg quarter. Cut them up like this. You see? Cut one leg in 3 pieces. 3 pieces, 1 leg. And this thigh piece now we put like this. Cut this in 2. Cut out this piece here. Do it a little cleaning like this. This one. So in the comments, I want to write in the comments if you like curry chicken. Something that I'm gonna do for my dinner this evening, curry chicken. Cut one leg in 3 pieces. You have to do a little clean up all the dough on it, take off some of the unnecessary fat, what you don't want. A little cleaning up using it. Some people cook with this piece here and digging up, but I don't cook with it. Dig out that middle piece. This knife is very sharp. So you have to use a sharp knife to do your chicken like this. Yes, guys, stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. Chicken cut up now, and we're gonna get our season ready. This is the time I'm gonna cut up the thyme. For my curry chicken. I'm gonna make a nice curry chicken today. Cutting up the thyme. But you have to have it, your natural seasoning, your thyme, your garlic, your onion, sweet pepper, we say sweet pepper, bell pepper, and also your garlic spice, garlic pepper, herbs, all-purpose seasoning, curry powder, So this is it. This is the thyme. I'm gonna sprinkle it all over. Yeah. This is the garlic, cloves. I like to use a lot of garlic in my meat, in my cooking. Garlic head. We're cooking white rice and curry chicken this evening for dinner. My peppers are already washed. The onions not washed as yet. I'll strip my onion then wash it. Don't have any green onion, otherwise known as scallion. So I'm just going to use this big one, onion. This big one, I'm going to use this big onion. I'm going to wash it. That works. Cut up my onion. Stay tuned, folks. Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna add in all-purpose. Yes, I'm adding the all-purpose. Curry. Guys, curry chicken for dinner, curry chicken for days. Still marinating my curry, my curry chicken. Yes, guys, to dice up your onion. Dice up your onion. Like onion is very big. Like dice up your onion. a little salt. Add a little salt in it. And 2 salt. Just a little. Don't add in too much salt. Sodium. Sodium is good for you. Especially when you're growing up in age, kind of exercising enough like a youngster. Wash my hands again. You have to wash your hands very often. Delicious curry chicken. Stay tuned, folks. I'm gonna turn on the stove now, and this pot I'm gonna put my curry into this one. Get the pot hot. I'm gonna get the pot hot. Alright guys, I'm gonna burn some of my curry. This is the curry that I use, Irie. Irie and better pop curry. You know, when you're cooking curry, you have to shake out the season. Shake out the season. And stir fry it a bit. And after you stir fry it, add the rest of season and extra season. And shaking out the onion, thyme, garlic. And when you cook it like that, when you add it in last, it will have a better flavor. We're cooking. Everything this way. I'm sure to encourage the chicken small. We don't put curry chicken big or anything in curry, it's small. Stay tuned, folks. My chicken, guys, my chicken. The curry is cooking nice. I like it. The color is very nice, very yellow. Like that, guys. Guys, I'm gonna cook my rice now. This is my rice pot. I'm gonna cook the rice. I'm not gonna measure. I'm gonna measure, but not to the cup. Short of portion. This is the portion of rice I'm going to use. I'm going to wash it now. Finish wash my rice. Just cover it with the water. it in the rice cooker. Plug it in. Turn it on. Cover it. Right. And the chicken is going on fine. And guys, this is my ground pepper. Very hot. I'm gonna add some in the curry, but I'm gonna add it in this. I'm gonna add it in what this gonna add in that. Very, very, very hot pepper, this one, my ground pepper. Very, very hot. And guys, you have to cook nice food to it, nice with that curry chicken, brown stew chicken, brown stew pork. Grill it in the oven, nice. Fixed up nice. You have to eat nice food. Make sure your food seasoned the right way, not insipid seasoning. And chicken cook the right way to cook out whatever bacteria inside and the pork. Fish eat also. You have to make those things palatable, nice, and very attractive. Attractive to eat and attractive to look at. So guys, stay tuned while I'm cooking my curry chicken. Yes guys, this is how it look, the curry chicken look coming on. And guys, I've just reached 154 subscribers and I love to reach, you know what, 1,000. So please help me grow and develop my channel. I will show you more cooking, baking and more vlogging. So please guys, like, share and subscribe. Chris Pastry and Vlog. Thank you. Welcome back guys. Well, the curry is finished. Cooked. And I'm gonna share some food now. The rice is over here. So I'm gonna share some food. Get in the mood. Share some food and get in the mood. This is the rice. Remove the rice. Curry on. So guys, this is the food, right? Curry chicken and white rice. So guys, remember, please leave a comment, like, share and subscribe. It's Chris Pastry, Cooking and Vlog. Leave a comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And help me to grow. I will show you more about my cooking, my pastry cooking and my chicken, pork and fish cooking and other vlog. Thank you guys.